I'm recording on this. Okay. Can you hear me, all of you? Bhumika, it's audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So try to understand question, children. Here, the total surface area of the hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means it's like a pipe, right? So it's like this one. Once again, I was telling you this. This is a pipe kind of thing, which is for hollow from inside. This is a pipe. It's having some thickness. It means that I'm just making one cylinder here inside, so which is hollow from inside. It's having two radius. Okay, hollow cylinder will have two radius. I'm just making it here. This is the thickness of the cylinder. This is the thickness of the cylinder. So as I already told you that total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder is how much? 357.5. Sorry, 3575. Total surface area of the cylinder is 3575 centimeter square. So what is the formula of total surface area of the hollow cylinder? 2 pi RH. If you see this outer part of it, this is the outer part, right? Outer CSA. Outer CSA is 2 pi capital RH, because this is having the capital R as one capital R, and inside the radius, this is small r. Okay. Capital R and small r. So CSA of your outside the part of it, outside cylinder, that is 2 pi RH, outside surface, plus inside surface, that is 2 pi small RH. It's clear, children? Plus the topper part, what I'm writing here, see this blue color, what we have read here, that is your top and bottom. We can write pi r square minus r square, and we are multiplying by 2. See, if you are writing the circle like this, we want this area, right? So this area to write, what we can write? Pi into capital R square minus pi into a small r square. It's clear? Because inside part we don't want this inside part, right? So we are removing that pi r square from pi capital R square. Understood? So this is repeating how many times? 2 times. So pi r square minus r square. This is repeating how many times? 2 times. The same thing I've written here. Anyone having doubt in this, children?
No.
In the formula, anyone having doubt? Saritvik?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Till here, Krishna, you are having doubts till here? Krishna, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, no doubt, sir.
All right. Now see, I have taken here 2 pi h common from first and second. So I'm getting it as 2 pi h r plus r from the first two. And the last two, I just expanded it, r plus r, r minus r. It's clear. But in the question, what we have to find? Tell me, Deepshika, what we have to find in the question? What actually we have to find? Deepshika.
The thickness of the cylinder.
How we can find thickness? Tell me, Deepshika. How to find thickness of the cylinder? Thickness
We
of
have
the
to
cylinder.
find it by removing the small r from the big R.
Exactly. The capital R minus a small r we have to find. This is our aim. Okay. Capital R minus small r we have to find. Very good. So next 2 pi h r plus r, and here next part is given that area of the base is 357. So base is nothing but what I spoke right now, pi into r square minus r square. This is your base in yellow color I mentioned here. This is 357.5. We can write this as pi into r plus r and r minus r. That is 357.5. Again, how we are writing 32.5 here? Instead of r plus r, we are writing 32.5. How? We are solving this left hand side one. See. So remember, children, instead of r plus r and r minus r, we are putting here 357.5. including R. From where? From this one. See, from right hand side, you see this equation, you see from here, we are putting the value here. Try to understand this part. It's clear to everyone till this line is clear. Satvik?
Yes, sir.
Children, we are doing very high sums, high ordered skill sums we are doing. Foundation, okay. 9th class we have already done. So this is the higher ordered thinking skills. If you're not understanding, please ask. Because if you do these questions, you can do class 10th question easily, I'm telling you. Okay. Class 10th question also you just do in chutki like this. Okay. So please remember, try to understand each and every concept. I'm not going to do very easy questions because already we have done, and you are having video also on YouTube that we have done all long back, all the exercises of NCERT as well as extra sums. Now we are doing again hot sums based on this surface area volumes. So please don't hesitate to ask questions if you're not understanding anywhere, because this is bit higher order skill questions. Okay. Next, we have all of you understood why we got 357.5 from the first what I written here. From there we got. Now 2 pi h, we are now putting the value here. 2 pi h r plus 715 is equals to 3575. Till here it's clear to everyone. Next, I'm just sending this 715 to the other side, so I'm getting here 2860. Okay. Now I'm putting the value here now, 2 pi h, 2 pi h. From here I'm getting r plus r is equals to 32.5. What I'm getting? 32.5. It's clear, children, till here?
Yes, sir.
So 32.5, and next same 32.5 we are going to put where? In the right hand side. If you see here how we got 32.5, this one you try to understand. 32.5. On solving we are getting r minus r is equals to what? 3.5, and this is nothing but thickness of cylinder. Thickness of cylinder. Now please go through this once. If you're having doubt any steps, first step, I'm just writing here, second step, then this is third step, fourth step. I'm just simply writing. Which part you are feeling difficulty, please ask if you're having doubts. Diksha, on your camera. Diksha.
Yes, sir. Owning it.
Please check, children, if you're having doubt anywhere, please ask if you're having anywhere doubts. This question is 25th, right? 25th. So we'll do 26th question now. 1 minute. See, the question now is just given figure shows. All of you try to understand the question, children. Next question is question number 26. See, this is question number 26. 26. And figure, I'm just putting over here figure also, how the figure will look like. This is the figure. So in the given figure, shows a solid formed of solid cube. Solid cube means all sides are equal, children. Here all sides means A is equals to is given 40 centimeter. First, what is given the question, try to understand and write all the data first. Okay. See, solid cube in the given figure, side is given 40 centimeter, and a solid cylinder of radius 20 centimeter. Radius of the solid cylinder is 20 centimeter. Height is 50 centimeter. Okay. is attached to the cube as shown on the top. See, all of you can see this. This whole cylinder is attached to the cube. Okay. You have to find the volume and total surface area of the whole solid. So this is very easy question. It's comparatively, volume is equals to what we can write, children? Volume is equals to what we can write. Tell me, Krishna, what we can write for the volume of the complete thing? Volume of whole solid. What we can write, Krishna?
Volume of cube. First of all, volume of cube is 8 cubes, sir.
Will okay, volume of cube we should write. Then plus what we should write?
Volume of cylinder.
Volume of cylinder. Children, all of you find fast. With me, you just keep on doing. Volume of cube is volume of whole solid is equals to volume of whole solid is equals to volume of cube plus volume of cylinder. So 8 to the power 3 plus pi r square. Very good. Now all of you put the values, children, all the values, put the values and get the answer. It's given in centimeter. So 40 into 40 into 40 plus 22 by 7 into radius 20 into 20 into 50. 20 into 20 into 50. You have problem in finding total surface area, children. Here only should think bit. Okay. Here only should think in total surface area. So here 40 into 40 into 40. What do you get? 64 followed by 3 zeros plus 20 into 20 into 50. See here they are saying that take pi is equals to 3.14. So what I'll take here? Pi is equals to 3.14 I took. Now you multiply 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 into 3.14. So remember, how much will get?
I got 6400 plus 620.
6200.
62800.
Okay, 1 minute. 62800.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So yeah. So what do you get here? 800, and here again you'll get 6 and 12.
6 and 12.
So this is centimeter cube. That's the answer for the volume. So all of you children think how to find the total surface area of the whole solid. How to find the total surface area of the whole solid. Total surface area of whole solid. Think, because small think is required here. Because general formula, normal formula, it doesn't work all the time. Okay. Why it doesn't work, I'll tell you.
Sir, minus 2 pi r.
Tell me once again what you're saying.
Sir, minus 2 pi r.
Minus 2 pi r you should do. No, 2 pi r is the circumference of this one. No, how you can write 2 pi r?
Because we already found the area, volume of that cube, no, sir.
See, volume is not having any relation with total surface area. First, you try to understand. Volume is not having any relation with total surface area. Try to understand, all of you. Total surface area means that the part of the solid which you can touch by your hand. So which part you can touch? See, I'm taking that part. Okay. This part you can touch. This part you can touch. Means whole part you can touch CSA. Top part you can touch. This you part cannot touch because that will be inside the cube, right, children? Again, see, all the parts you can touch inside, bottom, down, also everything you can touch, right? Okay. But you see here, top part will be there, no, this part of the cube. Cube part, top level, if you see, I'm just telling the cube top reason I'm just trying to tell you, okay? Try to understand here. Top part of the cube, okay? That what we'll write here is, you will get like this pattern. Try to understand, children, what I'm saying. This pattern we don't want in cube. I'll just write separately also. Try to understand the things, what we have to find, what we have to leave. So first I'm going bit up. First I'm going bit up. and writing here, see. In cube part, first I'm talking about cube part, okay? Try to understand the concept. In cube part, everything is including, all surface areas including, and top part I'm just writing a top part of the cube. Top part of the cube, this part is not required. Correct, children? Try to understand. So surface area of cube I'm writing. Surface area of cube part. Surface area of cube, if you see, 5a square will come. 5 sides we are not having any problem. It's clear, children? 5 sides we are not having any problem. We are problem with the top part region. Top region we don't want which one? The circle part of the cylinder one we don't want, right? Can you understand, all of you, what I'm saying here? Akshat, it's clear what I'm saying?
Yes, yeah, sir.
You are understanding what I'm saying here?
Yeah, sir.
So top part is a square. Area is nothing but a square minus, you should write what? Or you can write here completely 6a square. Right here 6a square minus what you should do? This one circle part, to just what I'm coloring right now, that you should remove from that, right? So how to remove? Pi r square. Is clear? Diksha. Sai Charan, on your camera. Sai Charan. Yeah, tell
Yes.
me.
Sir, I have a power cut here, sir. So can you off my video?
Okay, fine. So see here, 6a square minus pi r square. Sai Charan, on your, what is your problem with your Sai Charan nowadays? Before
Sir,
your,
I'm on it.
I should not tell every day. I'm telling you, I'm reminding all the whole classes are reminding you all the time. So see here, why are subtracting here pi r square is clear, children? Because that part you can't touch by your hand. Understood? So 6 into what is the side of cube? 40
40
into
square.
40 into 40 minus 3.14. What is the radius of cylinder one? The radius of the cylinder is how much?
20, sir.
20 is the 20 is the radius
20
of.
centimeter.
Okay, the radius is 20 centimeter. So 20 into 20. So you'll get only the cube part, surface area of the cube part, you understand from here. The 6 4s are 24, 24 4s are 96, minus 2 2s are 4, 3 1 4 into 4, 16, and 1 2 5 6 you get,
1 to
right?
5, 6.
If you subtract, how much get? 6 4 10, 9 minus 5 4, 5 minus 2 3, and here 8 8344 centimeter square. You will get only for what? Whole, not whole solid, only for cube part, you understand? Only for cube part you got. Now our next, we have to find the surface area of the cube. No, sorry, cylinder, right? The cylinder part, if you see, children, all of you, so everything we have to find, we don't need to find this one, because this also we can't touch. So what is the total surface area? Or only you can write here curved surface
Pi r
area.
square h minus 2 pi r square.
So CSA of cylinder plus, sorry, plus pi r square. The CSA contains of, try to understand, children, CSA contain of only this curved surface area part of the cylinder. Means what I'm writing in dark here, and plus area means this area we are adding here. All right. So this part is covering under 1. I'm writing here 1, and this part is 2. So this part is what?
I'm in my
1.
class now.
Yeah. Yeah, Pulastya, any doubts you are saying?
No.
Okay. The CSA of cylinder is 2
Sir, I have
pi.
doubts.
Yeah, tell me, Krishna.
Sir, we can do like total surface area of cylinder minus pi r square, no, sir?
Yeah, that. Anyway, you can do total surface area minus this one you can do, or curved surface area plus 2 pi r square. Anyway, we can do, not a problem. Plus pi r square. So now put the value, children. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 20. Height is how much? What is the height? 50 is the height given. Plus 3.14. 1 minute, children. I'll just write 3.14 because we have to write 3.14 only. 3.14 into radius of this is 20 into 20. We can take common also. Either you can solve separately or you can write common also. You can write over here. So what is the common here? 3.14 into 20 is common. So what we can write? 2 into 50 plus 20. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
8, 2 and 6. 6 to 8 will get here 23, just 62.8 if you solve. In bracket you will get 100 plus 20. So 62.8 into 120, children. So what do you get the answer? Try to understand how much we'll get on multiplication. 12 8s are 96.
7536.
7536, right? This is centimeter square. Now, as per question, we want total surface area of the cube, whole solid. So 8344 and 7536 should be added up. It's clear, children, what I'm saying, trying to say here. So total surface area of the cube. I'm writing here total surface area of cube. Whole solid is equals to 8344 plus 7536. 6 4 10 4 4 8
5880.
15880.
15880 centimeter square. Very nice, children. So children, if you are doing this kind of level of questions, you can do class 10 surface area and volumes very easily if you're understanding each and every line. Tell me where you are feeling difficulty. Diksha, it's clear to everything, child? Now see what we have done from starting. Once again, I'll explain you. So if volume part, you are just doing volume part. This is the easiest question of the world. Here only if you know the formula, you can do that easy. That is volume of the cube plus volume of cylinder. Without thinking, you just put the value, get the answer, this one. But when it's coming total surface area of the thing, so we should not need to write all the time total surface area. What we have to do, tell me? We have to think which part of the solid we can touch by our hand. So we got to know that this part we cannot touch, this green part we cannot touch, this one we cannot touch by our hand. So total surface area of the cube minus we are doing the area of the circle, right? So this we got only for the cube part. Next, for the cylinder, down part we cannot touch by the hand back because this is touching on this cube. Understood this, children? Because the base of the cylinder is touching the cube. We can't touch by your hand. You can't feel by your hand. So that is not required. So CSA of cylinder plus pi r square. Anyone of you having doubt in this? Tell me. No one, right? Okay, moving to the next question. Moving to the next question, that is this is comparatively, this is very easy and less calculative question. This question is less calculative. Try to understand the question, then I'll just come back. Try to understand the question, all of you. So see, the question is two right circular cylinders. Radii is given 3:5. So see, children, just make two cylinders you make. Okay. I'm not measurement wise, I'm not doing. Simply, I'm just making two things over here. The first radius wise is given 3:5. The R1 and R2. I'm writing in X form. So R1 will write not R1 for the first one. that we are getting it as 3x and R2 is 5x. See, I written this part. This part is clear to everyone. Ratio is 3:5. This means that R1 is equals to 3x, R2 is equals to 5x. Now comparing with height. So I'm just writing here H1, that is 2y. In y form I'm writing, and H2 is equals to 3y. Till here, anyone having doubt?
No, sir.
Now,
No.
find the ratio between their curved surface area. CSA of the first cylinder, this is the first one, and this is the second one. Divide by CSA of the second one. So tell me, children, fast. This is very easy. 2 pi R1
I
H1.
got 6 and 15.
6 by 15 is the answer plus there. Plus there, is it 6 by 15?
Yes.
Okay. You can cancel further also, right?
Yes.
2 by 5. So 2 will get cancelled, pi get cancelled. So R1 is 3x, H1 is 2y divided by R2 is 5x and H2 is 3y. So x cancelled, y cancelled, 3 cancelled. The answer is directly what? 3 2 by 5 is the answer. Directly what we can write? 2 by 5. Pulasthe, you are correct. So 2 by 5. And volumes. So V1 by V2. V1 by V2 is equals to pi R square H 1 pi R2 square H2. So pi cancelled. R1 is 3x into 3x into 2y whole divided by 5x into 5x into 3y. Now cancel everything. X. Hey, this is x, no? X, y. 3 3s are 9. 3 cancelled also. 3 2s are 6. 6 by 25 is the answer. Further, we can't cancel. So this was the very easy question, right? Anyone, children, if you are having doubt, please ask. Akshat, it's clear what I'm writing here.
Yeah, sir.
It's clear everything.
Yeah,
Only
sir.
you might have doubt in the formulas, right, Akshat?
Yeah.
Okay, this formula 2 pi R1 H1. Everything is uploaded, Akshat, in this thing. In the YouTube, if you are having means in the Google Classroom, you might be there, no? Google Classroom.
Yeah, sir, I'm there.
So their surface area and volumes, 9th class is mentioned. Every formula is there over there. And try to understand. You write somewhere. If you're not knowing, you can
Sir,
remember.
like from 24th, I'm having tests. So if I have, I'm having circles for that. If I have doubt, can I ask?
Yeah, you can ask. No problem. Just tell me. I'll just take extra class for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So see, CSA formula, you just try to understand 2 pi R1 H1 and CSA is 2 pi R2H. 2 pi RH is the formula for CSA. You just mentioned somewhere. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Okay. And volume of cylinder is pi R square H. This much or two things formula is required for this one. Okay. This much you know means you can just do this question. Next is question number 28. 28 is bit lengthy question. 28th one. So see, this is a question. A dosed cylindrical tank made up of iron sheet has a diameter. So I'm making one tank over here. This is a tank. This is a cylindrical tank which is having a diameter 8.4. Diameter means radius is equals to what we can write 4.2 meters. Height is equals to 5.4 meters. How much metal sheet to the nearest meter square is used to making this tank? Means how much sheet is required to make this? How much sheet is required? Means we should find what area of it, right? In meter square. See, nearest meter square means what you have to find? How much sheet means how much area is required to make this cylindrical tank if one condition is there, if 1/15 of the sheet actually used was wasted in making the tank. One condition what they're given, 1/15 of the sheet.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I didn't understand how did we get our like 4.2 meters.
See, diameter is equals to is given 8.4 meters. So radius is just half of diameter. 8.4 divided by 2. So answer is what? 4.2 meters. All right.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Nihar. After a long time.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was not feeling well these days.
Achha. But you are joining science classes?
No, sir. Science classes I did, sir. But then my health was then I didn't feel well, so that also I didn't join, sir.
Achha. Just see, we are doing few extra questions based on surface area and volumes.
Yes, sir.
So this is a one question we are doing, 28th question. Try to understand, and just we are doing this. Just try to understand the question first, whether if you're having doubt or not. Just see. A dose cylindrical tank made up of iron sheet. Diameter is 8.4 meters. Height is 5.4. So how much metal sheet is required to make this cylindrical tank? And one condition is given over here, that is 1/15 of the sheet actually used was wasted in making the tank. Okay. So you have to find how much metal sheet is required. So can you try, children, or shall I do here?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Try. Those who are not getting anything, just try here. First, you find the TSA of the tank. You can find here, children. TSA of the tank. So what is the formula that you know already? 2 pi r into h plus r. You know this? Then put the values now. Two into 22/7 into radius, that is 4.2, in bracket h plus r. So h is 5.4 plus radius is 4.2. So 7 6 are 42, means 0.6. So 22 into 2, 44. 44 into 6, if you do, you'll get 264, right? 264.4, right? Multiply by 5 for 9.6. You multiply and just get the answer. How much you get? That is 253.44. You are getting 253.44. Anyone having doubt in total surface area? Now only understanding part is 1/15 is extra. Means how much sheet we are using here? Total surface area is 253 we are getting.
14/15. So we are using 14/15 of the total thing.
Yeah. So wasted, how much we got wasted this one? How much iron sheet we have wasted, that we are finding here? That is 1/15 part of 253.44. So if you solve this, how much you get? You get, use calculator. I'm using calculator right now, but you don't use. Okay. 16.896. That is meters square. This got wasted. So, but how much meter sheet we have used?
So that's not the total thing, right?
Which one? This, you are saying this one?
Sir, that's no, sir. 253.44 is the left out product, right? Sir, so we can't multiply 15 by the left out product. We have to multiply it by the total, by the initial value.
Where is the initial value? Which initial value you are talking about?
Sir, that we have to take. We have to find that only. No, we have to find like how much. Okay, we have to find how much was used. Okay.
Yeah. See, this one is the total surface area of the iron. This one, what you are saying, tank, and out of this one, 1/15 part is got wasted. So this is the wasted part, and this we are using in the tank. So total used sheet was, total iron sheet used was, total sheet used. We can write it as 253.44 plus 16.896. This much got wasted, scrap, and this is the actual what we got. But we have used the seat how much? If you add this both. So 6 as it is, 9, 4, 13, 9, 4, 13 again, point. What we get here?
Sir, 270.336 I got, sir.
270.336. 270.336. If you want to write approximate, 270.34. You can write. This is your meter square. To try to understand, if you're having doubt, please ask.
Sir, I assume that the total sheet in making was X. So 14 by 15 of X is equal to 253.44. I did it that way.
Acha, means 14 by 15 is used.
So 14 by 15 is used to make the tank. Oh, cylindrical tank, no.
Okay, but total is 15, right? Now you can do that also.
14 by 15 of X is equal to 253.44.
After that,
So after that, we'll find that we'll get the total thing.
1 minute. 14 part. Okay, fine. Means 14 by 15 of X is equals to 253.44. So X is equals to, we are getting 253.44 into 15 divided by 14, like this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. How much you are getting? Let me check. Two 253.44 multiplied by 15 whole divided by 14. 271. Something is mismatched here. It's not coming. Okay, anyway, this is coming exact, not exactly, but yeah, some small thing is coming. 271. It's approximate same only. It's coming 271.
Yes, sir.
Fine. This is also a.
Sir, I have a doubt in a question. It's related to this algebra. So can I ask you?
Right now only. You just send on the WhatsApp. No, I just clarify and send you back.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Or you can post me on both. You can send WhatsApp also and my WhatsApp also, so that I can just do here and send you back.
Yes, sir. Sir, right now only should I post?
Post, not a problem.
Okay, sir. I'll send it to you on your WhatsApp.
Okay. So next question is, next we are going to do based on the cone. Okay, children. We are going to do, you know, this cylinder part, we have done so many questions. Now we are going to do based on the cone question. Okay, cone, you know, all of you. First, I'll tell you the formula, then we move ahead. So I'm writing here based on the cone formula we are going to do now. So cone, see pi, you know, the volume is pi r square h of the cylinder, right? So for cone, you have to just divide 1/3 pi r square h. It's clear, children? And CSA is pi RL.
Sir, I've sent you the question.
Okay, fine. So pi r into L plus R. This is a formula. First, you remember, children. Those who doesn't know, they can write fast. Cone formula is 1/3 pi r square h. If you know the cylinder, you should divide by 3. That's it. You divide by 3. So 1/3 pi r square h. CSA is pi r L. TSA is pi r into L plus R. If you know this question, do question number 1, all of you. This will start from easy question. Find the volume . So find the volume of cone whose slant height is 17 and radius is 8 centimeter. So remember, children, here 2 things are there. Try to understand. If you are having a cone, you should know 2 things. That slant height is this one, that is L. L is the slant height. This is your slant height. R is the radius, H is your normal height. So here slant height is given to you. It means L is equals to 17 centimeter, not H. Try to understand. Children will do mistake here only. Okay. Radius of base, that R is equals to 8. The formula of volume is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. Pi r square h. So put the value now, 1 by 3, pi is 22 by 7. See, radius
Sir,
we know,
105.71.
so 15 you should do, right? Why you got 15? Anyone does tell me? See,
Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras.
Pythagoras theorem will use L square plus R
plus
square.
R square, sir.
So 17 square plus 8 square. So 289 plus 64. Sorry, here we should do minus, right? Minus, minus, minus. The root of 225, that is 15. So on solving this, what you are getting? 3 5s are 15. What are you getting the answer?
Sir, oh, sir, sir, that is 105.71.
10
5.71.
1005 will come, just check. Centimeter square.
Yes, sir, 1005.
1005. Next one is question number 2. Or we'll do bit higher. This has become very low question, low grade. I'll just write here as question number 11th will go directly here. Question number 11th. So total surface area of the right circular cone of slant height is 90 pi centimeter square. Calculate the radius and volume. Calculate the radius and volume. Calculate the radius and volume. So TSA of right circular cone means cone is given 90 pi centimeter square, and slant height L is given to you, that is 13 centimeter. So TSA of the cone formula is pi r and pi r L plus r. This is the formula of TSA, that is 90 pi. Pi will get cancelled over here. Pi will get cancelled. Now you can find r from here. R right as it is. L is 13 plus r is equals to 90. R you multiply inside, what you will get? 13r plus r square minus 90 is equals to 0. You can solve by quadratic equation. What do you get? R square minus 13r minus 90 is equals to 0. How to bifurcate this? 13r, how to bifurcate?
Sir, how is it minus 13?
No, plus 13, right?
Yes, sir.
How will you get 13 well plus 13 here? Eighteen 5s are 90, right? 18 5s are 90 plus 18r minus 5r. Okay. See, children, if you're not understanding, try to understand. 90 minus 90r square is divided into 2 parts. So on multiplying, you should get
Sir,
minus.
middle term splitting.
Yeah, middle term splitting. So 13r you should get. So what you will write here, so that will addition you will get 13r, and on multiplication you will get 90r. So minus 18, sorry, plus 18r and minus 5r. So r is common, r plus 18.
Sir, radius is 5.
Radius is. So two things we're getting, radius is equals to 5 and minus 18. So this cannot be possible because length cannot be negative here. So radius is equals to 5. The first answer we got. Then we have to put the value, we have to find volume. The volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7, 5 into 5 into h. H we don't know. So L we know already.
So that's just 12.
How much?
12.
L square minus r square, 12 we get, right? 13 square minus 5 square, root of 144, so that is 12. So 12 we can put. Then 3 4s are 12. Then you can solve 22 into
So 314.
100. Huh?
Sir, pi should be taken as 3.14, right?
Acha is given, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
314.
Oh,
Sir,
acha,
we can
okay.
directly, there's no need to cancel out, sir. 22/7, we can take out common.
Yeah.
3.14 into 100.
314 is answer. Okay, fine. So this is the easy question. Directly pi value, we can take it as that only. 3.14. And 3.14 into 100 is 314. I should close this now.
Sir, I was actually noting down the problem.
Huh? What happened?
I was actually noting down the problem.
Noting down.
Yeah,
I'll send you these notes in this one Google Classroom. You can copy also if you want. Okay.
sure, sir.
And you'll get this one video also. You can copy from there, or you can get notes also. So don't note anything right now. Don't note anything. Just try to understand in the class. Okay, Akshat. Only you try to understand here, and you can copy later on. Means you can copy later on from the video or notes. Okay.
Yes.
So anyone having doubt in this, children?
No, sir.
So now I'll clarify your doubts. One doubt you have sent. No, let me check whether we can do this or not. This question is Nihar, you have sent that question, rationalize one part, right?
Yes, sir, that one, sir.
So x is equals to question. I'm just writing it here. Okay. So your question is, children, see, Nihar asked one question, that is, x is equals to 4 root 15 divided by root 5 plus root 3. Okay. So we have to find the value of x plus root 20 divided by x minus root 20 plus x plus root 12 divided by x minus root 12. So if we know the value of x, that will be better to put here, right, children? If you know the value of x, it's easy to put here. So how to find the value of x? Let us rationalize this. What do we get? The 4 root 15 divided by root 5 plus root 3. Rationalize this. What do you get? Root 5 minus root 3 and root 5 minus root 3. So 4 root 15, another bracket, root 5 minus root 3, and down we can write only 2, right? A square minus b square. Till here is clear? A plus b, a minus b. So 5 minus 3 is what? 2. Now we can cancel.
Can we write 4 root 15 as
We wrote 450 root 15 only, no? We wrote only 4 root 15 only. See?
Sir, why did we multiply with root 5 minus root 3, man? This is
Why we multiplied this one?
sir.
Because
Yes,
here is multiplication only, no? See, here is multiplication.
Sir, why to multiply, sir?
Then what other option is there? If you want to multiply, what we should do? Tell me. What to do after this?
Sir, to find root values.
Find root values.
Yes,
Root 5 value, you know, Krishna. Krishna, do you know root values? See, in rationalization, what we do?
Square root, sir.
A square root we should do.
Yes, sir.
Tell me square root of what? I'm not getting you. What you are saying? What are you trying to say?
Sir, can we do root 5 and root 3 square root, sir?
Root 5 and
Root 3 square root.
root 3 square root. You are saying this one.
No, sir.
This one again.
Means you wrote root 5 plus root 3, no, sir. You should find the values of root 5 and root 3 and that, no, sir. Why to do this process?
Achha, directly value you are saying. So we don't know, no. Root 5 and root 3, we don't know value, right? You know the value of root 5, root 3. See, root 5 and root 3 value we don't know, right? For that reason, we are rationalizing this, right? to remove that root part and get the value of x. Understood, Krishna? If you know the value of root, that's better. Directly put the value and get the answer. Now 2 2s are 4. So 2 root 15 and inside root 5 minus root 3 is there. Now if you multiply, what do you get? 2 root 15 and root 5. What will you get, Nihar? Root 5. 20 will get, not 20.
75.
See, 2 root 15 and root 5. What do you get? 20.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So
20, 20
Should
root
can-
3.
10,
20 root.
so it should be 10 root. Okay, wait. So 1 minute. So
We'll
it
get-
should be 10 root 3, right? We'll take 5 common.
Yes, 10 root 3. So we'll get here 10 root 3 minus 6 root 5. This clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
This is going longer. Now x value if you put here, we'll get 10 root 3 minus 6 root 5. Again plus root 20, what we can write? Root 20 is 2 root 5, right? Whole divided by 10 root 3 minus 6 root 5 minus 2 root 5. Is it clear, Nihar?
Yes.
Again plus x is 10 root 3 minus 6 root 5.
Isn't this too long?
Yeah, it's going too long. So you are having any shortcut method?
Sir, is there a shorter method?
Yeah, maybe with there. But if you practice, then you'll get automatically sorted. This can be doing in only 10 seconds, this whole part. And here, see, this is not longer. Actually, this two will be combined together. Again, this two will be combined together. Again, here, see, 6 root 5 and root 12. What we can write for root 12? For 2 root 3 and again divide by 10 root 3 minus 6 root 5. And again, here is your plus, no, here, this is plus root 3, this is minus 2 root 3. So what we can write here, 10 root 3, then minus 4 root 5, whole divided by, it's going longer. Which question is this? Which one question you go asked here?
Sir, what?
Which question is this? 12 root 3 minus,
Sir,
where you
it's a
got?
rationalization question.
Which one?
Sir, it's from number system and this polynomial kind of thing only.
Okay, okay. So 8 minus 2 is 10 minus 8. So like this again you should do. Here rationalization here. Now you can 10 and this. You can take common. Again you should rationalize this completely. But it's going longer, no? That is the main thing. No, you should. 1 mark question is there, right, Nihar? So this
Yes,
is going longer. Options are 1, 2, root 3 and root 5. Okay, Chinad, again you can rationalize this. So what we'll get here, you can take 2 common from numerator. So we'll get 5 root 3 minus 2 root 5. Whole divided by, again here 2 common, 5 root 3. Here is my plus is coming or what? Here is minus 8. Okay. Minus 4 root 5. So this 2 will get cancelled. Again, you have to do rationalization and get the answers. Okay, we'll just try to find this shortcut method also. But here you understood, no, how to find, Nihar? 2 root 3 minus root 5 whole divided by, here common is only 2. So 4 root 3 minus 3 root 5. We'll try to make it shortcut. But first here, see, these all questions are like lengthier is going. Still you have to factorize this one, rationalize, right, Nihar?
Yes, sir.
It's going so longer. 2 3s are 6. So if you find anything else, we can find easier way. Easy way is anything else? Or here, if we directly here, if we rationalize, what if we can get something? X minus 20, x minus 12. X minus 12 is going to multiply here. X minus 20 is going to multiply here. See, multiply this and this directly. If you do, just try once cross multiplication also. Okay, Nihar. But it's going, this also will go longer only.
Yes, it will go very long.
Hmm. Okay, we'll try to solve this some shortcut. We'll see once. But this is a longer method. You might knowing this method, right, Nihar? Before only.
So this,
This
I know, but sir, it's very long, sir. It will take up all the time.
this will take a long time. And you should finish in 2 minutes only. This kind of question in exam,
Yes,
right?
Yes, so there's no point doing so long much things.
Mhm. Okay, we'll try to find out some shortcut method to do this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children, all of you can leave. Again, we'll do the code questions based on this tomorrow's class. Okay. You can leave now. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Bye, children.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.